Okay, trying to test the balance of $60 in this way. So as you can see, we are generating the profit like this one. Let's see the chart, the entry. You see the entry. So the market is still buying. Let's see. Yeah. So let's check the market like this, and just yeah, the profit are just going and up and down like that way. But the profit targeted here is only 20. When let's say it reaches the 20, then can close the market like this. So if I like, I can close the market from there, because the market now is like, as you can see, when you delay, then you can go to it less than, but when you so delay. But let us see the market, how the trend is going. Is it still going by or what? Yeah, as you can see, we have reached 21. Let us see. I want to see what is going on. Let us see. It's by time. Is it going to be in our side too much or what? Okay. Okay, it's just still going up. Yeah, like that. I think that one is 30. Can we wait or close the market in $60 in this side? Okay, I think we are already there. We are already there. Let's wait a little bit. Is it going up, or let's see the graph, the chart, and see what is going on, and wait to see the magic. Let's wait and see the magic. What magic is going to happen here? Okay. Everything here is just do it. So let me show you. This is Tinga Robot. Okay. And this is the Tinger code we are using here. So you are welcome, my friend. You are welcome. Okay. This is the Tinger Robot. As you can see, Tinga Robot. To understand. Yeah. So you can see 22 just drop down. Like I see. Let us wait and see what's going to happen in our side. Okay. What is going to happen in our side? Let me show you this robot here. And also here just showing us how the trend is going. I think it's now, as you can see, 16, 17, we're almost 40. Okay, 35. Okay, so as you can see here now, this is the Tinga Robot, Tinga Robot. So you are so welcome. You can book the Tinga Robot, and you can get it and all the codes and how to use it. Everything you'll be guided. Okay, the PC is off because of some leaks, but everything is still going on. The PC is off like this, but everything is still going on. Okay, it's still going on. So we are in 30, so you can close the market if you like, but this is how we do. 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 Okay, we have already opened the PC. You can still going on and see what is happening. You can see the magic of Tingatinga Robot. Okay, so anytime, and the lot size you are using is 0.1, and the pair is the gold USD. Okay, so everything is here on. I think just your time, so they want to select what kind of something do you want to do, because the robot has done the analysis and tell us what's going to happen, and it's also tell us you are going to buy like that one. So as you can see, everything is just like that. Yeah, so let's see the profit. Like, we are almost 50. Okay, almost 50. As you can see, this is the robot. This is the robot. Okay, and if you like, I can close the market and go. Okay, so this is the robot now. This is how robot do. This is how the robot do his work. Like, say, let me show you, my friend. Nothing to hide like this one. So it is only the way like that one. And as you can see here, also the PC, the profit is just there. So you just come and book your robot, and will be informed and be given all information on how to use the robot, and yeah, like that. So it is just up to you. It is just up to you. So if you want to call me, you just can call me in my phone number 07. I will put it in description there. Then you will 0655 10 14 42. But we have to start with the code number of Tanzania +255. That's way. So you're so welcome. And this is the robot, and this is how it works, and this is how the robot do its job. Like, so as you can see, so if I like, I can close the market. I can close the market because this is the old profit. I can close the market anytime I like, but because you have already get the profit, so I can close the market like this. Let's say, let me close this market. Okay, I can see for the graph how do the graph goes. It's going to still going up, or what? Then I can see there, I can close the market. Okay, I can like to close the market like that one. Then if I like this way, I can close the market. Okay, I can close. Okay, because the profit is all okay. Okay, so also this one, if I like, also I can also go on and fill it like this. I've shown you the live. This is not the playing board, man. So we close the market that way.